Hi everyone, today we're discussing two important topics that have been making headlines in India. From Prime Minister Modi's diplomatic efforts to Rahul Gandhi's recent run-in with the law. Talking about Modi's diplomatic efforts, Prime Minister Modi has been on a diplomatic charm offensive, visiting Japan and other regional countries to strengthen ties. But what's behind the sudden push? Critics argue that the Modi is trying to offset the cooling relationship between India and the US. With the US adopting a lukewarm approach towards India, Modi is seeking alternative validation. His visit to Japan and overtures to ASEAN and South Korea appears to be more about diplomatic damage control than strategic partnership. In other news, Rahul Gandhi has been booked by the Bihar police over allegedly abusive slogans raised during his Darbhanga rally. This move has been criticized as a case of political victimization by the Modi regime. Opposition leaders, especially Rahul Gandhi, have consistently been targeting through fabricated cases, police action and judicial harassment. This is not an isolated case, as Rahul Gandhi has already faced disqualification for parliament and multiple FIRs across different states. These two stories may seem unrelated, but they reveal a larger pattern. The Modi government's increasing reliance on state machinery to crush opposition voices and Rahul Gandhi's growing appeal among the masses.